requested over here on investorshangout.com. Currently traded at 0094. It's trying to, guys. It's really tightened up here, especially since the 26th, right around that area. You guys came down to that support 0085, went up to 0150, and pulled back down. This is twice now coming off this level 0095, 0085 is being that support. Watch for the break of 0125. You guys aren't too far off of that, especially right here at 01. 19 would be the first one if you guys break through that. 26, I'm going to put 25 on here for the sake of movements. And then off of that 0150, a break of a 0125 and a break of 0150 would definitely be a big move indicator. Let me make sure you understand what I mean. 0125 would be a bullish move. A break of 0150 could really spike a run, at least to 2 cents in my personal opinion. With that being said, so far the average volume for the last 20 days has been about 6 million shares so far today. You guys had 2 million shares being traded yesterday, 4 million, a little bit down on that volume today here as well. We're going to continue to watch that volume to pick up and break it through that 0150, especially 0085 is going to be gold. What I'm seeing here at least. Support at 0085. Break whenever you're ready, Joe.
Okay. Well, I was looking at, they had their quarterly up here, so I was looking over. All right. So it was received on May 10th, 2017, the quarterly report. So I pulled it up. I want to see what they're generating for revenue, but I need to go scroll back up, and it doesn't scroll up that easy for me right now. All right, now I can. All right, so it's for the 3 months ended March 31st, 2017. And let's see, they had gross revenue of March 31st, 2016 was $45,879. And then on 2017, it was $46,008. So it was a couple dollar increase over there. And let's see, the total operating expenses loss. Other income. All right, so they had a loss of 25,000. The total other income expense 25, and then 24,917 this year. I'm gonna go right down to this right here, because they recently purchased something too. Like looking back at their press releases, on April 12th, they acquired CanonNet TV, and then on April 27th, they announced that they Innovativ Media to launch CanonNet TV in Europe. So they bought it on April 12th, and then they basically announced that they're going to launch it in Europe as well 2 weeks later. And then there's another press release on May 2nd that they're going to be a sponsor at an event in September of this year. All right, so subsequent events. On April 10th, 2017, the company finalized an agreement with an Estonian entity, Canada TV OU, to acquire certain media assets of Canada TV that the company intends to develop into an online ad support platform and channel which will stream curated and original entertainment, informational and educational video content related to the cannabis and CBD cultures and industries. The company acquired the assets for an aggregate purchase price of $112,000 in a combination of cash and promissory note and stock. The company has only expensed the cash portion of this obligation in its first quarter financial statements, accrued development expenses, and accrued payables. The channel shall require additional capital investment prior to the launch, which the company expects to be in the fourth quarter 2017. So in accordance with the ASC topic 8855-10, the company has analyzed its operations subsequent to May 9th, 2017, the date of these financial statements were issued, and has determined that the company does not have any other material subsequent events to disclose. All right, so that's pretty much right at the end of it. But I mean, you can go really through everything else in regards to the stockholders' equity and everything else. It's all right there. So if you have an opinion on the company as well, or you want to do more due diligence, just go right over to the INMG board on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time of sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. As always, if you have an opinion on the company, Feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily. I post it right over there on that INMG board.
All right, and that's what we're looking at right now. That Joe is just going over INMG. If you're interested in all the time and sales, the news, not only for this stock, but for all publicly traded stocks, all at your fingertips, all the research and tools that you need. Most sites charge you for this information, and we offer it free. Remember that. INMG 0095. Resistance is going to be at that 0125, 0150. Support at 0085. A break of 0150 would be bullish and could trigger a run, in my opinion. 0085 will need to hold here as well. INMG, if you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe and share this video with all other investors on different social networks, stock message boards, and stock forums. The more you share it, the more it's requested, the more we will continue to cover it. And if you would like to participate in our next live show, you can do so at investorshangout.com/live. And if you would be so kind, make sure you share the video like we asked. Thank you.